Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the first Marble Maze game team. Next. Guided by the project manager, Mr. Muhammad Fajri Amirul Nasrullah, SST MSc. Next. Consists of 7 people from class MJ5A, morning regular. Next. I am Balkis Nabil as leader. Then the members are Agung Leo, Muhammad Iqbal, Febriana Ariandini, Sakina Januarianti, Noval Alfauzan, and Arul Bagus. Next, there is project description. Marble Maze Survival is the name of a desktop-based 3D game that has background story of a ball traveling in a maze. This game is an adventure genre without levels and has a background or setting in a forest. The game viewing distance is not limited, or the game view is on the top of 3D. The target age for this game application user is 14 years and over. Players must survive in a maze by catching flare to earn extra point and time, but it's not that easy to stay afloat. There will be thorns and fire blocking the ball's path. The player has 3 life. If the player is hit by a thorn on fire, then the life will be reduced by 1. Next will be present by Sakina.
For project output, desktop-based 3D Marble Maze Survival, and controller using Arduino, Uno, and joystick. Next. Weekly logbook history, and there is 1, 2, 3. Next. Week 4, 5, 6. Next. Week 7, 8, 9. Next. Week 10, 11, 12. And in each logbook, there is a contribution for each group work. Next, Febriana Riandini.
The next is project work history, week 13. Okay, number 6, project work details. The progress of the project is equipped with screenshot or document. Creation of game asset. We make a rough game design using the SketchUp software. This is a picture of rough game design. Next. And then exploration of making thorns. This is a picture of thorn and fire. Next. Exploration of creating game design using Unity 3D. This is a picture our game design. The next is Iqbal.
Next is we creating game assets according to the theme. We use Unity 3D, make assets such as tree and rocks. And next, game assets in Unity 3D. We made a asset like fire, balls, thorns, and more, as well as an overview of mesh design and button designs. Design menu play according to the theme using Unity 3D too. Like main menu, play, about, setting, help, and end game. And find and add sound effects. We also added some sound effects like bonus point, sound, and more.
Okay, here control making. Next. Here's a photo when we borrowing a tool. Okay, next. And here are some tools we borrowed. Breadboard, Node MCU, and others. Okay, next. And here are the photo documentation during the controller making a process. Okay, next. And this is a photo of the controller test documentation.
And next is concern encountered during project work and their solutions. The obstacle. The first obstacle is our lack of knowledge about game creation and controller. The solution is looking for references on YouTube. And the second obstacle is difficulty in coding process during game development in Unity 3D. The solution is asking the subject vector involved, namely Mr. Agung Riyadi, and references on YouTube. The Arduino Uno device that was borrowed was damaged, thus hampering the process of working on the controller. And we returned the old Arduino, then we borrowed the Arduino Uno reset tool and used it successfully. And the last obstacle is lack of understanding about how to connect Arduino to Unity software or the program code. And the solution is asking the lecturer of the course involved named Mr. Hamdani, looking for reference on YouTube and asking friends. A part of a project that describes the relationship with other courses. Project session is Marble Maze game creation and development. Course relevance is game programming. And button control creation, course relevance is hardware-based programming.
The next is the division of work and contribution of each member in project work. There is a position and the name of division. The first is leader of project Marble Maze version 1 is Balkes Nabel, and then developer game dividing programmer Agung and Arul, texture maker Agung and Arul, 3D modeler Agung, music composer Noval Iqbal and Febri. And then the last is movement control Iqbal and Agung. There is a position of hardware and controller dividing the tool assemble by Arul, Noval, Agung, and Iqbal, programmer by Agung and Arul. There is a secretary position dividing report for a week, Febriana, logbook for a week, Febriana, manual book application, Febriana, Sasa, and Balkis, and final report by Febriana. And then equipment position dividing booking the lab, Sakina and Balkis, booking for the tools, Sasa, Balkis, and Febriana. And there is a documentation, photo video taking by Sasa, Balkis, Arul, and Iqbal, poster maker by Febriana, teaser or demo maker Sakina and Balkis, editing video by Noval and Febriana. And the next is the conclusion. Overall, the learning process that we got during project completion was to train the ability to work with a team. For example, supporting each other, respecting difference of opinion, trusting friends, being responsible for the tasks that have been given, and solving a problem together. And then the target that has been complete in this project is to release a game application called Marble Maze Survival and Arduino controller with joystick. Finally, the project publication, which includes the PBL project final reports, poster as promotional media, and video demos that explain how an application works and contain other important information for the Marble Maze Survival game application. Next. So this is the end of a presentation of PBL Marble Maze Survival version 1. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.